How to make a progress bar in Notion. Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create a sleek, functional progress bar in Notion, perfect for tracking goals, projects, reports, or anything else you're working on. Let's get right into it. First step, type in /data and choose the database. Inline option. This will let you create a custom little dashboard right inside your page. Super handy. Next, go ahead and name your page. For this example, I'm calling mine August Reports, but you can call yours anything that fits what you're tracking. Now click on the plus symbol next to Add Property and choose the Number property. This is the core of our progress bar. We're turning numbers into visuals. Once you've added the number property, click on it again and select Edit Property. Here's where the magic happens. Switch it to the bar option. The bar automatically goes from 0 to 100, so it's perfect for tracking progress in percentage form. You can also change the color. Choose one that matches your theme or just leave it at the default option. Under Divide By, keep it at 100. This sets the full bar at 100%. Now go back to the number format again, and this time select percent. Watch this. I'll type in 75 and boom, we've got ourselves a progress bar that's 75% full for the August page. Want to switch things up? You can change the style from bar to ring. Works exactly the same way, just a different vibe. Choose whichever one works best for you. And yes, you're not limited to percent. Change the number format to dollar, and you'll see it now tracks in money format. Great for budget progress or sales tracking. For this video though, I'll switch it back to percent and keep it in the bar style so it's super easy to follow. I'll go ahead and update the numbers on a few of these pages, and just like that, we're done. And that's it, guys. That's how to make a progress bar in Notion. It's simple, looks great, and keeps your projects on track. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.